So today was an open day at the university, so I spent the day showing people my bedroom, and I thought because it's tidy and organised for the first time since I moved in, I might as well show you. So on the back of my door I just have two command hooks, one of which holds my coats and one of which holds my bags. The wardrobe comes with a full length mirror, and in here I just have my clothes, some spare bedding, some jeans. Up here I have my shopping bags and just the end of my fairy lights. This is my bedside table. It's a standard single bed, but I just have these two nice Primark cushions on the top. This is my pin board. I've just got some photos from home here, my family, my friends, and lots of photos of my friends. I have quite a nice, it's very sunny, you can't really see, but I have quite a lovely view of some trees out the window. I just keep a little basket of bits here, plant, Polaroids and some of my books, some letters from home. On my desk I have my mugs and then just some of my beauty stuff. This is my makeup stand, and then in these drawers I just have stationery, makeup, and then some clothing under there. One of the two big pin boards that came with the room. I tend to use this one for like school stuff, so it's got my timetable, university announcements all over it, and this one tends to be more for home stuff, bathroom. On the back I just have another command hook for my dressing gown. It's a massive dressing gown, and then the bathroom itself, I've got a shower. Just got these things my aunt gave me, which are quite fun. Just got some of my shower stuff back here, toilet, towels, sink, me. We just have our tables and chairs, two nice sofas for if we have friends over, a big calendar that has all of the things that happen in our flats, like when rent's due, fun stuff like that. We have two sinks and we all have a locked cupboard each, but we also have a couple of other cupboards. There's not much interesting stuff in there right now. I also have a cupboard down here for plates and more utensils, and the bottom drawer for like cutlery and stuff.